Hello friends, welcome to the Solution Providers. This is Deepak Khandelwal with a very important topic for any person, any individual, any business in today's world. We are talking about the social media presence, the social media marketing. Now you have to understand there are a lot of YouTube videos which you will find on how to be successful in YouTube, how to be successful in Facebook, how to increase your social media presence, how to be very powerful in social media. But the question is, have you started the social media endeavor as of now? This video is specifically for the people who have not yet started any presence in the social media, or they have started but are not able to focus or don't know what to do next. So this video, my friends, are for the people who want to at least start this effort and build it further. So I will talk about the successful part and being how to be powerful later. This video I'll talk about the 5 P's, the 5 important P's with which you can start your endeavor, your journey into the social media. So my first P for everybody is you have to first talk about your presence. So how do you start? The presence is by making your pages in relevant social media platforms. So what happens is there are a lot of social media platforms, but when you start your presence, just focus on Facebook, Insta, probably Twitter, LinkedIn. These are the 4 very basic social media platform with which you can start. So the presence, how do you create a presence? Which brings us to the second P of the topic, which is profile. Try to develop a profile in all these social media platforms which are relevant to you, which talks about what you are, who you are, what is the company, why are you coming into this platform, and what is the content of this platform is going to be. So I'm repeating once again, the 2 very important first is you have to talk about your presence and then you have to talk about your profile. Both requires planning. So profile and presence goes hand in hand. For Facebook, you have to develop a profile which is relevant to that Facebook audience of yours, and so on and so forth. You can start with YouTube also, but trust me, YouTube is a second level where you have to get this knack of developing the video, editing it, and understanding how to put it across to the audience before you. So that brings us to the third P of our discussion. The third P is once you are through with the presence and the profile, you start posting relevant material in your social media accounts. Now the posting requires what? Posting requires you to first tell everybody. The first few posts should be about telling who you are. So that could be an invitation post that you are starting with something. Please talk about yourself. If it is a personal profile, if it's a business, talk about your business, what you do, what are the various areas which you are giving services of, or the products related. So 3 P's which we have just discussed are, I'll repeat again, one is presence, profile, and post. Now post, when you do, you have to be very sure, which is focus on the 4th P. The 4th P is be purposeful. Now please understand, when you have a social media presence, it is your personality, it is your brand, it is your everything. So you have to be very, very purposeful in this effort. In this endeavor, you have to be very, very purposeful. You have to understand, don't give irrelevant post. Don't give anything which is away from the reason why you have made this social media presence. So try to stick to the fact, try to stick to your principles, try to stick to your profile which you have built, and explain to people why you are here. So be very purposeful in posting. The 5th and the last P, which is very important, is promote. So once you have started, the main objective when you start a social media platform is you want people to follow you, you want people to see your post, you want people to react to your post. So that is where your budget of promotion comes in. The initial post which you do require you to promote it, boost it, so that people who the more people can be made aware of your page, more people can interact with you, more like-minded people who want to listen to, who want to see your post would try to get benefit out of those posts. So what I suggest is the fifth P, which is most important but is the last P, is the promotion part. Now all these five nutshell, I'll repeat again, the five P's are, so that you never forget, and these are very specifically for people who are new in this, who don't know how to proceed further, who have never tasted anything about social media. They just hear it, yeah, you have to be on social media, always try to be on social media. Are you not on social media? I know most of the people are there, but trust me, many of you who are hesitant in starting this, please follow these 5 P's and you are going to be at least starting your journey and then slowly become successful. So 5 P's I am repeating again. First is the presence. Second is develop a profile which is relevant to you, which explains you who you, which explains to the people who you are. The third is start posting. And when you are posting, the fourth P is be purposeful. And the last P, once you have done everything, is start picking few important posts and promote it, so that people in masses are able to interact, are able to understand, and people who find it interesting will start following you, and slowly you are able to build up your profile. So friends, this is a very starting lesson, where this is the first lesson in how to start a social media platform for yourself, and the scope is really unlimited, and there are a lot of other social media platforms which can be relevant for you. So just don't stick to these 4 what I've talked about. You can also explore the other possibilities. And if you have any problems, if you want to help, if you want us to help you in starting your social media platform, don't hesitate, just message us and we'll guide you through. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it further, subscribe it, and also like it. Please press the bell icon so you don't miss any other future videos from our end. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. We'll come back again with some very interesting topic. Bye-bye.